Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And when I got home, Mama Cat and Kitten were waiting for me. Kitten was meowing on the balcony because I did not have time to put any more dry food out for them. Not being mean or anything, but I barely made the bus. I missed the 16 because four guys blew through the intersection right across from the police station. I wish I were a policeman. I would have happily pulled them over. It's a $500 ticket if you don't yield to pedestrians. Then I had to take the 98 all the way to Walnut Creek and then wait for the 9, get off just past the coin door, and they threw me. They moved from their old location over here to the office building next door. And I went, whoa, when did that happen? It happened today. They couldn't find them. They couldn't find binders. They couldn't find their stapler. So I pawned my dimes, my silver dimes. I got $65. They took a look at almost all my silver. They wanted to give me $225 for it, but I knew if I did that, I'd never get the damn stuff out because it would cost a fortune in interest. So I walked all the way back from there to the 99-cent store, looked in Marshall's for kitty stuff, and then saw Subway there and got me a meatball sandwich. And then walked to a block from the theater all the way up to Safeway, did my shopping all the way back, and got back to the bus stop with about 20 minutes to spare, and then walked home. And Kitten was being very cute, and then I've got to go feed the outdoor kitties their wet food when I get done. All right, this is from the 99-cent store and Safeway. I have a box of honey cornbread that's been waiting for chili. Because what's the point of eating cornbread by itself? And so I have 2 cake pans. These were $1 for 2. They're a little bent up because they were in the bag. I have a slightly bent pan for my turkey. And I bought enough groceries at Safeway, but I could not carry it. They have a special where if you buy 25 pounds worth of food, you can get a turkey. So I'm going to go out tomorrow and ask them, can I get a turkey? Because by the way, Subway sandwich was $6.50. I saved the other half for later. I was going to go to the Mexican restaurant tonight for the Taco Tuesday special, but I'll do that later on or next month or something. All right. Aluminum foil, I've been out for months, and it's getting more and more expensive, so I figured the hell with it. I bought it at the dollar store for $1. I bought a bag of this Safeway to extend the kitty food, and this will make it nice and easy to carry. So I bought Friskies, what is this, tender crunchy combo, chicken, beef, carrots, and green beans. Help support strong muscles. This was $4. And my tube side for my $50 broke. That's annoying. It was in the backpack. And then they had a special on pie for $2.99. So my tummy will be happy this weekend. I bought a Dutch apple, and I bought a pumpkin pie. Of course, my favorite is peach, and then a pound of butter. And put butter in the turkey and the dressing and all that stuff. Get my turkey with all the fixings on Saturday. And I got cornbread stovetop stuffing. And let's see what else here. And then a little hooks to hang stockings on the bookcase. These were $1. They're not command hooks, but they'll do. And a bunch of napkins. They gave me a bunch of napkins. A half sandwich. I have no food in the house. And more napkins. Ow, 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 ow. There's my sciatic nerve talking to my foot. Get stabbing pains in my foot from time to time. Always fun. And Friskies Party Mix. Another one. This is the original crunch with chicken and liver and turkey. And this one is the ocean whitefish, shrimp, crab, and tuna beachside crunch. My kitties will be happy. And then That's it for that bag, and everything is falling on the floor. I got to throw out the recycling. I got no room to put it in. I couldn't do it Sunday because it was nighttime. All right, then we have here my inhaler. My other rescue inhaler is dead. I got to go to inhalers tomorrow. There's my wallet. Pills falling on the floor, money falling out. I got $65, by the way, and it'll cost me $80 to get it out. I'll probably let that slide till February and get the $100 one out on the 29th, get the other $100 one, be done with the original loans, and then get the $80 out. All right, let's see. A bottle of Hunt's tomato ketchup. And I got 2 cans of I got to look at the receipt for this, the Peet cuisine my kitties love. I think it was on sale, so if it is, I'm going to go back and get some more. A can of turkey gravy. And 2 cans of Hormel chili. And let's see. Put my silver back in the bin. They said I didn't need to pawn all that, so that's good. I could use the $225, but it might have cost me $350 or something to get out. I'll have to ask them. Chunk, they had a kid working there who's fairly new, so he didn't know what was going on. Chunk pineapple. 2 cans of that. These are $1. These are like $1.59 at Safeway, so that's a bargain from the dollar store. I love pineapple. And let's see what else is in here. Another can of turkey gravy. I didn't realize I'd grabbed 2. A can of Lysol for the cat box. Oh yeah, 20 pounds of cat litter. Drag that home. That's always fun. And luckily I found a shopping cart. And a can of relish a jar of relish for when I make sandwiches out of the turkey. I have mustard. And another inhaler, purple inhaler, and then another Peet kitty food. And excuse me for wheezing, but I think that's it. Yep, that's it. That's all. That's it. My sandwich, which I will eat in a moment. So, ears itching for some reason. So it gives me at least something to eat for till tomorrow. I get my Meals and Wheels dinner, and they're getting more and more chintzy. They're giving us omelets and cheese burritos, and not a lot of meat. So, all right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. It's very, very windy in Pleasant Hill and very, very cold. Not so much here in Martinez. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. I'm going to debate which pie I'll eat. Probably eat one the next 2. Make one tonight and save one for Thanksgiving dinner. This has picked apples, orchard picked apples, and crunchy streusel. So I might do the Dutch apple, but I'll have to go get ice cream. You can't have pie without ice cream. Not that I eat ice cream much anymore, but it'll be nice. All right, that's it, folks. Have a good night, and I will catch you next time, and I am out. Bye-bye for now. Off to feed the kitties.